Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix nobody can see my about on WhatsApp. Sometimes it become very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix nobody can see my about on WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp. On upper right corner, go to three dot icon. Now click on settings and then go to privacy. Here you will find an option about, and now nobody is selected. That's why nobody can see my about in WhatsApp. Now I am going to change it. Click on about, and now you need to select everyone who can see my about, and you need to select everyone. I am selecting everyone. Now everyone will see my about in WhatsApp. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.